If you want to change icon color on Xiaomi 17, what you can do is, first of all, we can go to settings. Over here, scroll down and go to personalization, and then you want to proceed to icons. In here, you can tap on the background color, and you can choose one of these available colors in order to change the color for icons. Unfortunately, if you do so, only certain app icons are going to be affected. As you can see, many third-party apps, not even third-party apps, but many apps in general, are not affected by this change. So maybe the better solution to change icons or to change color for icons would be to use a custom theme. So if you go to the themes app, over here, of course, we need to have the theme selected. Then you should be able to search for some of the themes that we have, of course, available in here. Many of these options are actually paid for some reason. Previously, I know that they were free. I'm pretty sure you can also find some free content in here as well, like, for example, here in this place. And what you can do is you can go through these themes in order to try to find icons or styles that you may like. Of course, this changes pretty much the whole theme, but we should be able to apply only icons. So I'm gonna show you in a second. So let's say if I like this colorful icons, then I can just download the theme over here. So let's do so. And then once it is downloaded, instead of immediately applying the theme, we can tap on customize, and then over here I can uncheck everything and just leave icons selected. And if I apply, then I should be able to change app icons on my phone. And there we go. Now it looks very different. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.